Well, first thing, the system's in with us now just over a year, and what I really like about it is the quality of the radiographs that we're able to produce now compared to the old CR system we had before. We had never really considered DR at that stage, but thought this was the ideal opportunity to do a good and a proper upgrade of our radiographic systems. Really like the quality of the final images, but more than anything else, the system is so intuitive to use. You know, as I say, it's the same as like an Apple iPhone. It doesn't come with instructions because it is so intuitive. You don't have to worry about working at your KV MAS. You put the details in, you put the animal size in, you put your study area, and it sets everything for you. The quality of the radiographs, the ease of operation has, from our point of view, increased the workload dramatically. When I look through our figures and the amount of radiographs that we're producing now compared to with the old CR system, which was more cumbersome, our workload is dramatically greater, and from our point of view it justifies the expense of buying a top-end machine because we are seeing the benefit of it. The time aspect is dramatically different. With the old CR system, where you were taking the plate, running it through the image analyzer, maybe taking about a minute to get an image, this, within 3-4 seconds it's on screen. And not only it's on screen in such a manner that you can work with it, you can play with it, such as on an iPad, you can enlarge it, you can see exactly what you want, and if you want to take another or a different view, it's very, very quick and simple to readjust the machine to get those settings. We looked at all of the major suppliers in the marketplace. We had worked with BCF, or IMV as BCF were beforehand, we had worked with them before, and at the end of the day, from my point of view, when you're making that level of capital investment, the important thing is that, yes, you get a good piece of equipment, but more than anything else, you get the training, you get the CPD, and you get the backup that goes along with it. So at the end of the day, I want a system that performs well, but I also want a system that doesn't cause me any worries or concerns. I want to make sure that it's the best that I can buy in terms of hardware, it's the best that I can buy in terms of software, but more importantly that there's a company that stands beside it that ensures that myself and the rest of the team here can get the best value out of it.